Hey everyone, need better coverage with your Verizon network? This step-by-step tutorial shows you how to set up your Wi-Fi extender for a stronger, more reliable signal. To set up the Verizon Wi-Fi extender CE1000A, plug it into a power outlet near your router, wait for the LED to turn solid yellow, then press and hold the extender's WPS button for 3 seconds and press the pair button on your router within 2 minutes until the LED turns solid white. After pairing, move the extender to a location between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it in and wait for the LED to turn solid white to complete setup. Preparation. Identify your extender model E3200N, CE1000A, etc. Ensure you have your Verizon router, the Wi-Fi extender, power adapter, and, if needed, an Ethernet or coaxial cable. Step 1. Choose the right location. Place the extender halfway between your Verizon router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the location has a power outlet. Once location is finalized, attach the wall mount bracket to the wall. Avoid physical obstructions, walls, metal objects, microwaves for optimal performance. Step 2. Connect the extender to power. Plug the power adapter into the extender. Connect the adapter to a power outlet. Wait for then the front panel to light up. The LED indicator E-LED will blink while booting up. Step 3. Pair the extender with your router. Method 1. Using WPS wireless setup. For initial setup, keep the extender close to your router. Press the WPS button on the back side of your Verizon router for 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender for 2 seconds. The extender's LED will blink blue while connecting. When the LED turns solid white, pairing is successful. Unplug and move the extender to your desired location and screw it to the mounting bracket. Plug it in and wait for the LED to turn solid white again. Method 2. Using Ethernet backhaul wired setup. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable or coaxial into a LAN or coaxial port on your router. Plug the other end into the LAN port on the extender. Plug in the extender if not already powered. The LED will blink and then turn solid white when connected. Step 4. Check the LED indicator. Solid white extender is connected and working properly, blinking blue, connecting or pairing. Solid red, connection failed. Try moving the extender closer to the router. Repeat pairing steps. Blinking yellow, weak signal. Move the extender closer to the router. Step 5. Connect your devices. Your devices will automatically connect to the strongest signal router or extender using the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password as your main network. For devices that support WPS, you can connect them by pressing the WPS button on the extender. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.